Hello, and welcome to Thaiboz TV. Today, this very important issue that causes most of us as youth to even fall into depression. We tend not to want to understand and in a process of wanting to understand it, we drive ourselves into depression and stress, anxiety, all those things combined, because you feel like when you grew up with your friend, your perfect friend, you went through the ranks of wanting to achieve in life together, you went through the steps of success together, and you feel like your life after those steps should still remain equal, to some extent that if they buy Cavella, you would want a Cavella also, because you feel like you are equal, Skim Sami actually portrayed this problem very logically. Look at Kwaito, the character Kwaito and Thaiboz. They went through the ranks together from school, high school, they went to university, they graduated at the same time, they even were lucky to get jobs at the same time. But now when it comes to progression after that, their life couldn't be the same. The other one's background demands more, the other one's background demands less. Those are simple logics of nature which you need to understand before you would want to compare yourself to your peers at most of the time. So what am I saying? Kwishisha tawayori, you can grow up with your friend and go through same challenges and thrive together. But it doesn't mean that after challenges, when it's impossible. Understand this. You have your own purpose in life. Your friends have their own purposes in life. Understand, even when they go ahead of you in terms of progress, understand the reason behind, rather than stressing about wanting to be equal to them. Thaiboz TV, Thabo Mwala Musamahlaki, Yawelelaung. I love you guys. I'm taking a little bit to make a video these days because Rezamo this TV is here for you. And part of the show, being interviewed on the show. The offers are still open. I'm still working on bringing characters that are very powerful. Soon you'll hear something. Thaiboz TV, Thabo Mwala Musahla Diawolela, Lewa support. Clicking that subscribe button there, don't forget, it's for free. zero charges. You just click on it and then we'll like him. Thank you.